Hi there, we're here at Gibson Salon today to show you one of my favourite styles. This is the relaxed wave. I've prepped the hair with Kevin Murphy Hair Resort, the spray on the roots and the cream on the ends. What I'm going to do is rough dry at about 80% and then I'm going to walk you through how to tong it. I've completed the rough dry of the hair. As you can see, the texture is still quite rough. There's quite a lot of natural texture in the hair. I've smoothed over the top of the fringe. And what I'm going to do now is just brush it right through and show you how to tong them. I'm going to section the hair in a teardrop shape. I'm using Kevin Murphy Session Spray as my constructor before I tong. So vertical sections straight down. I'm going to tong away from the face on both sides. So that's the first section done. What you need to do is carry around in a teardrop effect, doing exactly the same as what you've just done. So I've completed the tonging and I've set it with Kevin Murphy Session Spray. Nice tight curls, just nicely evenly spaced. And I'm going to brush it out and show you how to dress it out. I'm going to use my Denman brush. This is a ball bristle, so it's lovely and soft on the hair, but it doesn't take all the movement out of the hair. So just smooth over the top, get rid of all your section lines. Just very softly break up the movement. I'm going to finish off with Kevin Murphy Do-Over. And then just go through and piece out in the curls. Then just to finish off, a bit of young again, just into the ends of those waves. And there's the completed style, relaxed waves.